Hello everyone, I am Marang Baloch, human rights and political activist addressing you from the sit-in in Islamabad, Pakistan. As you are aware, our peaceful movement against enforced disappearances and extrajudicial killings in Balochistan has entered its 54th day, and the pressure, intimidation and malicious campaigns against me have intensified. Since we began this sit-in, following the extrajudicial killings of a youth in Turbat on November 23rd, authorities, government officials, fake social media accounts running on behest of the government and several journalists and YouTubers have launched a malicious campaign against me and my family, subjecting us to continuous harassment and threats. The most concerning aspect is the official campaign by the provincial government of Balochistan, specifically targeting me. Spokespersons for the provisional government in various media talks have harassed, threatened and made baseless allegations against me and my family. He has held 5 press conferences in the past month alone to suppress my voice. He has claimed that my social media account operates from India, a claim he should either prove, or if unable to do so, I expect the media and judiciary to hold him accountable for these serious allegations. Additionally, multiple bogus police cases under sedition and treason have been filed against me. The press conferences, media campaigns and bogus police cases against me violate my fundamental rights to free speech and assembly. On the other hand, some journalists, YouTubers, social media influencers and state representatives actively participating in this campaign. With trends running against me on social media, my family has been under surveillance by a renowned TV anchor person. She made a video of my brother without our consent and published it on social media. This is profiling him. We are concerned about his well-being and safety. As a human rights defender advocating peacefully against human rights in Balochistan, the state of Pakistan, particularly the government of Balochistan, is violating my rights by harassing and threatening me and my family. Through this video, I want to inform all human rights organizations worldwide, including Amnesty Asia, Human Rights Watch, HRCB, UN, the Global Protect Defenders organizations and other organizations to protect frontline human rights defenders and the civilized nations of the world, and specifically UN in Pakistan, that if anything happens to me or any member of my family, the state of Pakistan, provisional government, spokesperson Jan Achakzai and caretaker Prime Minister of Pakistan, Anwaar Kakar, shall be held responsible. I will persist in my struggle despite all threats and harassment and will continue to inform the world about human rights violation in Balochistan. Thank you.